Today, I want to address one of the most frequently asked questions we receive when discussing our 4-day live online workshop on building a business career. This workshop is for people who want to start their journey on the business side, whether it is business development, sales, marketing, GTM, or sales automation. The moment I say it's free, people ask me, why is it free? Is there another course you would like to promote? And do we need to pay for that? Will you charge money later? Is this some sort of scam? Are you running some multi-level marketing? And I understand this doubt. In today's world, whenever something is free, we assume there must be a catch. We are greatly troubled by funnel marketers who invite you to a free webinar and then pressure you to buy their paid courses. They make big claims to encourage you to purchase those courses. But you know how it ends. You feel cheated at the end. So let's see, in our case, why I could keep this workshop completely free. Let me tell you one story of my life. I was born in a small village in Jharkhand where I received my primary education at the government school. Now I don't have to specify the education level there. One day, a visitor came to school. He was from some NGO and told us about a new government school that was coming to our district, Devgarh. The school was JNV, Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya, a school where if you get admitted after an exam, everything is free. Free education, free hostel, free food, and the best part, the CBSE curriculum. That person also brought JNV forms and some old books for its exam preparation. And my headmaster then filled out the forms for a few students, including me, and also gave us the books to prepare for the exam. And that one incident changed my life. I worked hard, cracked the exam, and got selected into its first batch. And JNV then changed my life. I excelled academically, scoring 91% in my 10th grade, and then had the opportunity to pursue my plus 2 studies at DAV Shamli, one of Jharkhand's best schools. And then went on doing my BTech from IIT Kharagpur, and my career continued to rise. Now just imagine one kind gesture, one person somewhere from some NGO who touched my life and transformed it completely. So I also feel it is my responsibility to give back to society. It brings me a great deal of happiness. Now, if you are thinking, okay, I understand that you have good intentions, but how then are we sustaining this program? So here are a few things that you need to understand. I run my other businesses, and from there I make a good living. My company collaborates with international companies for sales and marketing campaigns. Therefore, I can set aside some funds for this initiative, including workshops and social media videos that I create to educate people. I have already trained over 200 people, and a few of them have willingly donated to us for this cause. Some people donate during the workshop, while others donate once they secure a job. For example, one of my students completed the workshop, was placed within a month, and later returned to contribute happily. Therefore, there is no shortage of good people supporting this revolution. We make also an effort to place you in various companies, and when we can fulfill the needs of recruiters and other companies, some of them are also happy to contribute to our cause. Anyway, they have a structure of paying the recruitment agency. However, we don't charge a fixed fee because for us, the priority is our people's placement. So companies are happy, students are also happy, and this model continues without burdening learners. One more thing is happening through this initiative. We also can identify talented individuals during the workshop who help us to feel our hiring and freelancing needs as well. For example, currently my social media account is managed by Chandan, who attended this workshop. So I hope now it is clear that how we are keeping this workshop completely free for learners like you. And through this workshop, you can kickstart your career on the business side. You don't need any more course from me or anybody else. So what you are waiting for? Kickstart your career in business and join this movement of touching the lives of lakhs of career aspirants. Let's grow together.